a large screen, advanced diagnostic functions, and SmartLink remote diagnosis. This is the X-431 PAD VII, an intelligent diagnostic tool. One is enough. The X-431 PAD VII is more intelligent than ever. With the powerful SmartLink VCI, you are available to perform remote diagnosis without being on site and the limitation of diagnostic functions, tools, and vehicle types. It is able to assist technician to identify the OBD2 port pin automatically and display the real-time voltage for voltage condition monitoring during live diagnostics. New topology mapping gives a visual checking on full diagnostic results and malfunctions intuitively. Quick access ADAS calibration features through the ADAS module in conjunction with the Launch ADAS calibration product. Expand and upgrade your X-431 PAD VII with more diagnosis software via new module mall. It provides numbers of built-in repair guidance and training videos to assist technicians to track and fix the diagnostic faults efficiently. Solve high-level faults with advanced modules such as videoscope, oscilloscope, TPMS, key immobilizer, and sensor box by adding on with the X-431 PAD VII. All these innovations and more make X-431 PAD VII the most powerful X-431 ever.